Whiskey,
Once a year, the Animal Air Show comes to town. Animals from all over gather to perform amazing stunts in the sky. First up is Ellie the Elephant. Ellie has big ears that flap like wings. She soars high, spinning in circles. The crowd cheers loudly. Next is Benny the Bear. Benny flies a little plane. He loops and twirls, making everyone gasp. Benny's plane is blue and shiny. Then comes Daisy the dog. Daisy rides a bright red rocket. She zooms up and down, wagging her tail. She's having so much fun. Leo the lion is next. Leo glides on a giant kite. He roars with joy as he glides over the crowd. The kids wave and shout, "Go, Leo!" Sandy the Squirrel does tricks on a tiny glider. She flips and twists, showing off her acrobatic skills. Sandy's moves are fast and exciting. Finally, all the animals come together. They form a flying parade. Ellie, Benny, Daisy, Leo, and Sandy fly in a line, making patterns in the sky. The crowd claps and cheers. Everyone loves the Animal Air Show. The animals land and take a bow. They feel proud and happy. The show ends with a message: when we work together, we can do amazing things. The animals smile, knowing they made the crowd happy. And so, the Animal Air Show is a big success. Everyone goes home with happy hearts, looking forward to next year's show. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.